What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the 7th of December. We're going over the price action and volatility 51s for the last 2 days. So we're in a new trading week now. First day today, we had a sell-off. We know a nice little pullback, healthy pullback, because we've been buying up for the last week. So this weekly candle we traded up into this other block here, and now got a pullback. We sold off Saturday and Sunday. This, if this is going up, this could be enough week. I'd like for us to come down a little bit more on this candle now, but let us see. We might just rip, target this high first, and then this one here to start the continuation of this week, and also continuing this month. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I took a few trades. Well, it was yesterday. I tried buying this thing, but it was consolidating too much. I got a few scalps, but pullback stopped me out on a few positions before we sold off, and now it's going higher, but I wasn't on the charts to catch this opportunity right here. So we sold off yesterday. So this is Saturday, Sunday, sold off, continued into today, and then now see this is currently Monday's candle. We open and going right up from there. 1 hour time frame, see we had this range here, so I took some buys after we had run this daily low, because I had said in the last video that when you have these small body candles, so this candle open here without any manipulation. This was Thursday. Yeah, opened here. So this was Thursday. No, this was Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, man. So this was Friday when we had the smooth body candle reversed it completely and took out the liquidity. Give us a retrace here before we continue lower. Now this pullback on let me see. And the 4 hour time frame was still in premium, and the 1 hour time frame we came down to equilibrium, barely touching it, and see we're heading back higher. So that was a nice buy opportunity there, but wasn't able to capitalize, but nevertheless still good. So let me go over what happened for Saturday and Sunday. I went on the road yesterday, so I'll go over the trades that I took. This was Sunday evening when I get in. Alright. So this was Saturday's price action. Traded up into this other block here. Use this other block here, and we got a decent sell off. I think I took some buys here. Got out too early. I think I took some buy, went break even, got stopped out. I think I took a next one here and it came back down and stopped out. But the stops were pretty tight because I was just scalping the small account. Now it's at almost $100 in profit. So this long move here would have been great. Then we had a nice sell off here. We traded back up into this other block before selling right back off here. Traded back into this fear value gap, sold off, and then we just consolidated for the rest of the day pretty much. It was a decent scalp for the sell. Another one here, and then now we had this consolidation to take us lower. We retraced a bit, and this pretty much created the end of the day. So we retrace, and that's why the daily candle have a little bit of a wick on it for Saturday. Now going into Sunday, we had a nice little sell off here. I tried to take some buys. I took both buys and sells, but this was early out last night. Took some sells here and some buys. Some scalps went into profit, most of them, and then got break even. I took a buy here, came back down and stopped me out because I took the buy here, went up, came back, stopped me out before we had this nice go rally. But the stops are pretty tight on my entries. So, as I am risking a whole lot, more than 10-15% of the account because the account is pretty small, and in order to make some significant gains, that's how you have to do it. Especially when you're not able to stay on the charts all the time, that's how you have to scalp it. Now, going into today, took several trades here, came back up, and this would have been a nice little sell off here. So we sold here, came all the way down. Nice little buy opportunity there, another sell opportunity, another sell, another one here, coming all the way down. All of this time I was and not wasn't on the chart. Here I saw the consolidation and I just decided, you know what, let me just chill out and just leave this thing because I was looking to take some buys and I saw all of this, but I was distracted nevertheless, so I didn't bother to force it. So this was a nice opportunity here for a buy as well as this one. So nice buy here. We have a nice market maker buy model forming here, and this could send us higher. So buy opportunity here, another one there, and another one there, and so we're shooting up now. So let us see what we get going into tomorrow. But that is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.